Hey there, and welcome back to the Investing Guide. With the current behavior of Cardano, the idea of becoming a millionaire could be very close to reality. Cardano's share price back in 2020 stood at less than $1, and there were no expectations or hopes of Cardano going up anytime soon. But that outlook changed soon after as Cardano's purchasing volumes took a rise and left other cryptocurrencies nowhere else in sight. In today's video, Cardano is all there is to talk about, and whether it has enough potential to make an investor rich, well, that's something that we're going to have to find out. Cardano was valued at a nice $2.40 while filming this video, which means that you would need to buy at least 100,000 Cardano coins to become rich. And if Cardano performs according to the predictions made, it might jump to either $5 or $20 by the end of 2021. According to Trading Education, Cardano is like Ethereum's younger fellow, since its structure is similar to Ethereum. You can imagine Cardano to be Ethereum, only at a lower price. Experts believe Cardano has the potential to surpass $3 until the beginning of 2022, and hopefully reach $15 by the middle of 2025. Hence, the idea of Cardano making investors rich can be considered. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss any news from the space of crypto. Cardano has gone a long way in a short time, moving from 20 cents from early 2021 to oscillating between a whopping $2.5 and $2.6. That could mean you could have become a millionaire by now if you invested $100,000 when Cardano's price was experiencing lows. Ever since Cardano has raised the stakes in the investing world, investors everywhere have been formulating contemporary ways and methods to invest in it. Still, no one even comes close to describing, or at least informing, what amount you've got to invest in Cardano. Do you know how much money is required to become a millionaire? Is Cardano's $1 million temptation really that promising? That is yet to be determined. As per the records, any Cardano investment ranging from $100 to $1,000 has the potential of giving a massive return in a short amount of time, depending upon your unique situation, financial thinking, and risk tolerance level. But before you invest in Cardano, let's have an overview of the actual math. You need to know exactly where you stand in the crypto world, what amount you can invest in, and what you can expect in return. And having answers to these questions is essential to build a long-term crypto connection. As reported in the 2017 bull market, Cardano skydived from being on pennies to a whopping 1.11 cents in the time period of no more than 2 months, meaning it entertained a 50% increase in its trade price. Since Bitcoin has been leading the crypto market for a while now, it's only sensible to expect a 10 times movement from Cardano, hitting the investment world right after a big crash. That brings us to realize Cardano has definitely been putting massive effort to lead the blockchain protocol, but the fact that it is still replaceable can't be ignored. However, that idea is not guaranteed in any way, so let's keep our hopes up high. Now that Cardano's movements, basics, and our position in this crypto cycle are evident, let the calculation to $1 million begin. As of now, Cardano stands at a well-managed $2.55. And you could have been a millionaire by now if you had invested $255,000 last year in Cardano. And imagine simply if Cardano were to reach $20 per coin. You would only require a minimum of 50 ADA costing only $74,000. Especially if you plan on being a long-term Cardano holder, your chances of becoming a millionaire seem to be going high. Even the slightest bit of profit of Cardano can go long-term with you. That doesn't mean that you need to invest all your money in Cardano, but only the amount you're willing to lose in the worst case. Cardano's trade rate has been dynamic since its early infancy, and is valued at a solid price as of now. An approximate value of $15,000 to $20,000 can take you on a path of being a millionaire if Cardano reaches the $100 milestone. However, considering their volatility, such a thing cannot be put out with certainty for any cryptocurrency out there. Especially with Cardano, a surprise always awaits you. The past few weeks have been magnificent for Cardano, as its price is rising and rising. With this increase in trade price, Cardano's potential to become the biggest cryptocurrency could go its way. Making $1 million with Cardano now could be the right time to invest. With Cardano keeping up its performance, a number of great things can be expected from it, one of which could be you becoming potentially rich. After all, a currency is only as powerful as its purchasing strength. experts have been monitoring Cardano lately, and at this point, when its share price is escalating like fire, they believe that in the next 2 years, Cardano could be touching $100, based on which investor could add up some $1,000 amounts to become a potential millionaire in the future. This also indicates that for ADA to cross a potential $100, Cardano requires a capitalization of at least $3 trillion. And Cardano's performance doesn't suggest that happening anywhere for the next 5 to 6 years, at least. But then again, crypto is unpredictable. A decade ago, no one knew Bitcoin would do big, but here it is today, holding up a share price of $40,000. The only drawback of investing in crypto could be that it moves fast, but not always. Cryptocurrencies are volatile as anything. When Bitcoin and Ethereum were going slow and Cardano is moving fast, investing has become easy for investors. With Cardano, everyone is on the move, waiting for opportunities and ready to take a move. But what are the fundamentals of being in the crypto world, and what amount do you need to invest to hit that $1 million bullseye? First things first, observe and study Cardano's price graphs. Cardano's price has seen massive rises since 2021 started, and according to some of the more prominent analysis of time, Cardano is to go 10 times yet again. Let's observe Cardano's price chart very closely to understand its performance. Early in 2021, Cardano's share price stood at only 10 cents, as compared to its rival, like Dino, which was worth 18 cents at that time. After a week, however, the price jumped an overwhelming 32 cents. But the real fun came in February when Cardano's price skyrocketed from 32 to 95 cents, leaving investors everywhere in mild confusion. Later in 2021, it crossed the $1 mark and reached a whopping $2. However, currently, it's going at a superb fast pace, trading at a price of almost $2.5. With that speed, could it be possible for Cardano to hit the big bell? Does Cardano have the potential to make you a millionaire? And if it does, how do you do it? To know these details about Cardano, subscribe to our channel, press that like button, and let the bell icon notify you about everything you need to know about crypto. Coming from Cardano's successful perspective, you would have become a millionaire if you'd invested a lump sum of $100,000 back then. But don't lose heart. Experts suggest that with Cardano, more such days can be expected. Cardano is believed to be the 5th most trusted currency in the investing world, with a capital of about $56.7 billion. Also, in light of Cardano's recent performance and events, several investors are optimistic about its presence and potential to reach $1 million. Another firm ground for Cardano swooping in at the $1 million mark could be its lack of acceptability. In an interview, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, says that more than 100 utterly beneficial and favorable projects are in the pipeline for Cardano, and this is reason enough to know that Cardano has yet just started. Cardano's nowhere near mainstream yet, and since not many people acknowledge its existence, it can allegedly make a 10 times jump. Several reasons with solid foundations to rely upon have indicated a significant strike soon on Cardano's price chart. We understand your confusion though. That's because even though Cardano has been observing a great delay in the execution of all its projects, it's just not taken off yet. Delay doesn't mean the currency has failed. Sometimes it means the currency is trying to come out perfect. Once a project's out, rectifying its errors and issues can cost a lot of trouble to the investors, the developers, and the project itself. So the bottom line is, should you invest in Cardano to make some quick bucks? The answer may vary, but in light of the circumstances and its price charts, Cardano's potential to stand as a successful currency seems fitting. Also, when investing in the crypto market, investors usually pick the currency having the most projects and developments under its belt, and Cardano fills those requirements to quite an extent. As of now, Cardano is only in its initial value recognition stage. The bottom line is, becoming rich with Cardano could be possible in the near future, and there are many possibilities only waiting to be played out. With that being said, the video comes to an end. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And while you're here, make sure you hop on these 2 videos to get all you need to know about crypto.